I'm Manoj Payapalli, part of DBFS Securities, Registered Investment Advisory and Research Team. Welcome back to DBFS Finvestmentor YouTube channel. Today, my topic about one particular stocks from automobile industry. Automobile industry in India is booming, and the last year automobile sector's performance was better. If you look into the automobile data, you can see the performance of the automobile sector last year compared to the previous year. Last year, domestic markets passenger vehicle sales compared to the previous years was 31 lakhs roughly passenger vehicle sales. This 22-23 vehicle sales was roughly around 39 lakhs, and commercial vehicles this year was 9 lakh 62, and three-wheelers was 2 lakh 61, and this year's was 4 lakh 88. That is three-wheelers. And two-wheelers, 1 crore 35 lakhs was the previous year, and this year was 1 crore 58 lakh 62,000. And altogether, compared to the last year, grand total is previous year was 1 crore 76 lakh 17,606, and 22-23 year, the passenger total vehicle sale was 2 crores 12 lakh 4,162. So that is a growth roughly around more than 7%. And the export market also, the growth was phenomenal, especially in the passenger vehicle sales. That is around 15%. So previous years was 5 lakh 77,875 passenger vehicles export, and 22-23 passenger vehicle sales was 6 lakh 62,891. But not all other commercial vehicles, three-wheelers, performance was not good in the export sector. But in the Indian market, the performance was very good, because in the automobile industry in India is contributing 7.1% to the GDP and 49% to the manufacturing GDP. And in India's automobiles industry is third in the world. So that is why I selected the stocks from the automobile. This particular stock is from the automobile ancillaries. This particular stocks has the performance in all the automobile sectors: two-wheelers, three-wheelers, passenger vehicles, commercial vehicles, and railways. This particular stock is none other than Gabriel India. So I will explain this company's performance and details through visuals. If you look into the visuals, this particular company's original equipment manufacturing customer base is almost all the leading two-wheelers and three-wheelers, almost all the leading passenger vehicles, almost all the leading commercial vehicles, and even railways. So if you look into the two-wheelers and three-wheelers, Adul, Bajaj Auto, Honda, Mahindra, Suzuki, Royal Enfield, Yamaha, all the major manufacturers. And in the passenger cars also, Tata, Honda, Toyota, Skoda, Maruti, everybody is their customers. And the CV and railways also, Daimler, Force, Isuzu, Mahindra, Tata. So you will get all leading powers as their customers. And then the performance in two-wheelers, actually their market share in two and three-wheelers is roughly around 32%, and major revenue, 61% revenue is from two and three-wheelers. And another thing is the passenger vehicles, the market share is 24%, and the sales revenue also is 24%. And then commercial vehicles, the market share is 89%, of revenue is only 13%. One important thing is Gabriel is getting more orders from the EV two-wheelers. That particular segment, their market share is roughly around 60%. So almost all the leading electrical scooter manufacturers are their customers. Okinawa, Ampere, Hero Optima, Ola, Ather 450, TVS iQube, Symbol Energy, all are their customers, original equipment customers. This is the added advantage of this company. And another thing is they are expanding to the utility vehicles segment also. Almost all the leading brands are their customers: Volkswagen, Skoda Kushka, Toyota Hydra, Mahindra XUV 700, Mahindra Thar, Mahindra Bolero, Suzuki Jimny, and all are their customers. Another important thing is they are expanding to damper for the railway connecting to the coaches. So they are getting the Vande Bharat order also for this particular products. This is a new line of business. So if you look into the financials also, you can see this from the March of 2014 to March 2023. The performance every year, the company is in the rising trend and continuously making profit, consistently dividend paying company. And this is the last quarter and year on year performance. We can see that quarter one performance roughly around year on year is 11.8 revenue sales, and EBITDA is roughly under 35% year on year, and quarter on quarter 31.8. Profit before tax is 29, roughly around 30%, and quarter on quarter 28%. Profit after tax is 29, and quarter on quarter 26%. And year on year on last financial years to financial year 22 to financial year 23 also is a good performance. The year on year performance is roughly around 27% revenue. EBITDA is roughly around 46%, and profit before tax is roughly around 41%, and profit after tax is roughly around 48%. This is the financial performance. And the first quarter result, if you look into the net worth, that is to 9,098 million, and that means 909 crores compared to the previous year financial year 870 crores. And their fixed assets also, their liquid investments also is improving. ROIC is another important factor that is improving compared to the last financial year. This first quarter is improved to 40.2%. Another important thing is they are expanding to the automobile sunroof manufacturing unit with Netherlands, and the new plant is already completed. First quarter of the 2024 they will start production of this particular unit. This is in Alpha Gabriel Sunroof Systems Private Limited, because almost all the leading SUVs is coming out with the sunroof models. So we can expect a very good order from this unit. This production, everything is, our plant is already completed, almost everything is trial production, and everything is well started from first quarter of 2024. So that is added benefit of this company. And based on all these things, I think these particular stocks will move further upward, and now it is quoting roughly around below 310. I think the right entry price roughly around 280, and stop loss is roughly around 240, and I am expecting within 1 year roughly around 382 to 400. This is my view. I think this particular company is good for investment for the 1 year time frame. If you look into the chart, you can see this particular stock is all-time high. That's a multi-year high is quoting. So better strategy is a buy on dip strategy is always better. And if you like this video, please subscribe and share it. This thing, I don't have any particular interest in this particular stocks. I don't have any investment. This particular stocks is I suggested only based on these facts and figures, and for the educational purpose. Thank you.